All right, hello guys. Let's look at how you can set up event on a page event. You want to set up a lead event, a sales event on a particular landing page, or for this particular example, I'm going to be showing in this video. We're going to look at how you can set up an event on landing page. It can be a landing page, you can whatever sales page, whatever the case is. So let's look how we can set up an event on this particular page. So let's go to the screen and let me walk you through how it's going to be. So just find your way through the event manager. So once you log in or you go to business.facebook.com, right? Once you come there, you click on these three buttons and click on event manager. So on the event manager, in previous videos I've shown you how to set up a pixel, right? Once your pixel is set up, and I've showed you how you can go ahead with creation of audience, right? So what we're going to be doing here, we want to work on this particular pixel which I've clicked on, and then want to add an event. So adding an event, you can add event from these four different places. You can add events using conversion API, using new website, using a pixel, or using your own event. So for this particular instance, I'll be doing it from a pixel, and in doing that, once I click on the option, it will allow me to be able to add the necessary URL, the URL that I want to use for the particular purpose, right? So once I do that, no, so you can currently see my screen, and you can open the the event setup event setup. So once I click on event setup, I'll be able to paste the URL, right? The URL, okay, this is the URL. I can paste the URL I want to use, open and paste, right? Once I click on the URL, I would open the URL. Now once I click on open website, it will open another tab for me for the sake of this example, right? So it's loading up another page for me at the moment. So once the page is loaded, okay, here we go. Now the page is loaded, there will be a kind of dialog box around here. I don't know if it's showing, currently showing on my screen. Okay, showing on my screen. And then you would see that there's already lead button on the subscribe button here, and also the button around somewhere below, I think. Okay, for the WhatsApp lead as well, right? So those are the lead button option. But for the sake of this website page, right, I cannot the option we want to do, what we want to do actually for this page is that we want a form to be available on this page. So I'll go ahead now and add a form to this page. Once I add a form to this page, I will just come here and track that particular form, right? That particular form that will be here. So for instance, let's assume this is the form on this particular part of the website. So once I come here, I click on track new event, right? So once I click on track new event, I'll be able to select the subscribe button or whatever the option is. Once I do that, I'll be able to um, add event to this particular page, and I'll be able to track it. But mostly what I always do before I even start all this is that I love to always track the URL. So this particular URL, I track it, right? So I can track it as view event. I can track it sometimes as let's see other options that we have. But majorly it works, it's very synonymous to a view event. So it means that people view the page, right? People view this particular page. So once I do that, I can click on OK to confirm that I want to track this particular URL. So this URL is going to be recording as view event. So let me go ahead and add a page to this website. So well, I think that's basically all I want to share with you, right? So once you're able to get the link to the website, you click on finish setup. Once you click on finish setup, you finish, and then you skip. You can do well to skip this. Once you skip this, you're done and you're good to go with the event setup. So I've successfully added an event to the website, to that particular URL. So for instance, now let me show you something. Let's say I want to go to another page, and I want to get access to that particular website. And in getting access to that particular website, you would see that usually once I click here, you will see that the event is set up and there's a page view lead that I'm currently tracking, right? There's a page view lead that's currently being tracked. So if it's a lead, Facebook, if it's a lead, it will show up here. If it's a sales, it will also show up in the details here. So I believe you get what I'm trying to walk you through in this particular video, right? So I hope this video has really helped you to know how to set up events, right? How to set up a specific event on a website. All right, do well to subscribe to this channel and watch other videos I've made on this channel, and do well to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much. I remain Akimbola Ezekiel.